Hey guys, Minelab Gold here. So we're back out in the bush again looking for some more targets. Hopefully we get some yellow ones, if not, as long as we have some fun. If this is the first time watching the videos or the channel, I thank you guys very much, and make sure to head over and watch some of the other videos. There's some pretty exciting stuff in there, guys. And for all you subscribers, absolute love to you guys. Thank you very much for continuing to support the channel and coming back and sending through those nice comments. You guys are the ones that keep me going out here in the fields filming. Without you guys continuing to come back and support the channel, I probably wouldn't be putting as many videos up. I'll just get out here and enjoy my time in the fields. So hopefully we can get some targets today. As you can see, the area that I'm in, there's not much really going for it. We'll just have to see. Yeah, it's just bush and more bush, so hopefully we can get some targets. Anyway, no pun intended, guys, I'm not going to beat around the bush. I'm just going to get straight into it. Just worked up alongside this fallen down tree or big branch, I reckon. Anyway, I'll show you guys. It's underneath. It's very hot grounds out here though, so it's a defined enough signal not to be ground noise, so we'll just see. I have been getting hot rocks out here, so and then we'll come across onto this side. So see, it's pretty quiet there. And then we go under. So what I'll do is I'll just stop the camera and then move this the best I can so we can get in there and dig. Okay guys, so I'll just move that. You can see where that was sitting just there. She's a fair size piece of wood, that one. And just down in here, notice that sound, we lost a bit of it. Maybe it was just the charcoal giving a false signal. Yeah, see how that's gone now? Yeah, see how that signal's gone now? So what it could have been is a little bit of mineral in the ground plus the charcoal on the ground, and then the actual top of this, because it's burnt as well. We get false signals with charcoal, but yeah, that was cool. Anyway, we'll see what else we can find. Hey guys, so I've come across a target just here. I'll plug in the external and give you guys a listen. Very, very responsive, this sound. There we go. Okay, so you can see we've got some ironstone there, a little bit of quartz, and it's a very clay-based type area, this one. So we'll just come across. So I got a few junk targets just before, but that one's, you can tell it's below the surface. So I've got a fair few little bits of junk before. I've been going for about an hour and a half now, so I'll just sit you guys over here and we'll get it out. Oh, that's out already. Yeah, she's real shallow. It could just be a bullet, but we'll check it out anyway. You can see that it's just a really, really compacted clay base. way somewhere. Alright, we'll sit you guys just here and we'll check out what it is. Like I said, it could just be a bullet, but it's definitely below the surface. Alright, we're in the scoop for sure, that one. Oh, that's gold, guys. I can see it right there. That's a piece of gold. Alright, well, that was very good, that one. Yeah, like you can see, you never try to assume what it is and then just walk away. You've got to check what they are. Very close to the surface, but this whole area is really, really shallow, so just sitting there. Oh, that's a really good piece of gold, that one. Let's check it out. There it is. Yeah, you can see that clay stuck in there. Just on that side. Could be a bit of ironstone on there by the look of that. We'll give it a clean. Oh, this is going to be, because it's really dense clay, I'm going to have to, oh, that's going to clean up so nice. I might have to, oh, it's coming off. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, you can see some ironstone on it. Just in there. That's the back side. Very good. Well, I'll just keep going. That's number one for the day. Yeah, so actually I had some requests from you guys about putting the weights on the screen. So if you want to gather your thoughts, because a few of you said you like to guess the weight, if you want to just gather your thoughts real quick, I'll bring those weights up on the screen right now. Feels like about 1.5. It'd have to be 1.5, but could be a little bit more. Anyway, hey guys, so I've came across this small target here. As you can see, I've already dug that rock out of the ground. I'd say it would be ironstone because we're on a big ironstone belt. It's not giving us just a spread like a ground noise response. It's a little bit more sharp and solid, if that makes sense. And so that might be worth cracking that one with the hammer and checking that one out. I've only got my pick here at the moment, so I can't smash that out here for you guys. It could just be ironstone. We get ironstone really rich, like you can see on the side of here, where it's real dark. If it's a concentrated rich spot sitting just on there, it's either going to be hot rock or it could be a little bit of gold sitting in there, so we'll check that out. Anyway, I just won't be able to do it today for you. Hey guys, we've come across another little target here. Definitely a small signal coming out. Just in that little cluster of clay that's shooting up out next to that tree. I'll clean this area just so we don't lose it. We've got all of this overburden off the tree. Not that we'll lose it, I just mean so we've got a nice clean base to pull it into. Oh, it's a bit dusty. That should just about have it. It could even be a buckshot, this one. Alright, she's definitely out. Let's see what it is. Alright. Oh, it's still in there. That's good, that's, oh. I keep feeling little heavy things fall in my hand. Because it's so rich in ironstone. Oh, that's a small piece of gold, I reckon, right there. Yep, that's gold, guys. That's another piece of gold. Excellent. Alright, let's check it out. I'll bring you guys up. It's only really small, you can see that there. That's what was giving us that small signal response, just like we hear with the buckshot. Alright, let's get it up. There it is. Beautiful. Alright, let's give it a clean. I don't like putting gold in my mouth, so anyway, there it is. Beautiful little piece. Yeah, like I said before, I'll let you guys have a guess what you think on that weight. That signal response was really small, as you could see. So yeah, just whatever you can think that'll weigh, and then I'll stick the weights up on the screen shortly. Very good. Well, I think that's just about me done out here. Those two pieces right there. Absolute little rippers, them ones. Well, that's me done for the day, guys. What did we get? Those two pieces of gold, a couple of hot rocks. I'll definitely check those out. If they turn out to be anything, I'll certainly show you guys on the next video. If not, it just means it was high mineralized rock giving off that signal. So yeah, no, not a bad day. We've got those two pieces, like I said. Got 9 junk targets. Had a look at a few rocks on the ground. What else did I have to say? That's right. Yeah, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up. And for those who have just tuned into the channel and it's your first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit the thumbs up, shoot through a comment, and I'll be sure to get back to you. And especially that bell icon down that way, I believe it is, down the bottom on the right hand side. Hit that bell notification and you'll be notified of all new videos coming out and any content that I post. Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. I hope you enjoy your night, and I hope you enjoy your day or night, depending on your geographic location. And I will talk to you all next time. Thought to get the camera going again. As you can see, it's getting pretty dark. It's actually, I've had to juice the camera up. If we just go up, it's probably roughly about that. So I've just juiced this up a little bit so you guys can see a bit better. Over there is where we got that last target. I was actually on my way back to the car and thought I may as well swing on the way back. I'll plug in the external and give you guys a listen to this one. Like I said, it's a very shallow area out here. This sounds definitely not surface, so we'll just come into that. So if you watch the Coiltek Sicker, plus I have my audios up pretty loud too, as a lot of people will know. So that probably sounds really, really loud, but I just have my audio up pretty loud. Anyway, we'll get this out, won't waste too much time. Still in there. Definitely won't be a bullet, and it's definitely virgin ground. A bullet won't go through that. Oh yeah, we've just hit the thick stuff there. Oh, that's nice material too. Real rich red. Oh, that's out. Okay, she's on that left-hand side of the pile. Let's see what we can get. Oh, it's out already. I reckon that's gold. I reckon that's gold, guys. I can't see it. Hopefully it's not lead like that last video. I don't think it is though. Did you hear that? Right there. Not that one. That one there. Yeah, that's gold, guys. Unreal. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, well, that's real good. As you can see, that was real shallow. That's definitely it. Alright, I'll just unplug this again and we'll give this a clean up and we'll get to see it for the very first time. Oh, that's a really nice piece. Alright, I'll just clean that up. Oh yeah, it's got ironstone inclusions. Oh, that's cool. There we go. Wait for that focus to come back in. Yeah, so I'll give that a clean when I get home and I'll post some pictures up of all these pieces that we found today. I won't try to guess that weight. I'll let you guys have a guess and then I'll put those weights on the screen. Yeah, it's very good. Alright, well, I don't want to leave now, but I have to because it's getting dark, so there's always another day. I'll just come back out tomorrow. I'll fill this hole back in and I'll talk to you all next time. So, I'd actually like to thank all you guys as well, because it's amazing how things happen out in the fields. We can find gold when we first get out of the car. We'll spend all day, one piece in between, or we can find nothing all day and then find one when we're walking back to the car. So because I found that last piece over there, I would have normally continued to search just up through there. The sun's gone down. I know I was heading back to the car anyway, but I thought, why not swing on the way back, and then I might be able to get something else out and film it for you guys. So if it wasn't for you guys and that thought, this will probably have still been sitting here until someone hit it, or if I actually come back out here and consistently cover these grounds. Anyway, thanks very much guys, and I will talk to you all next time. See ya.